Hello from the American Muscle Car Museum right here in sunny Melbourne, Florida. Today we have one of the Pontiacs out of the collection in a 1969 Pontiac GTO Judge. This is a Ram Air 3 coupe, and GTO first appeared on the scene in 1964. 1964 and 1965 it was an optional package. Through 1966 to 72 it was actually its own model, and in 1968 it was Motor Trend's Car of the Year. In 1972 through 74 it went back to the optional package, and it didn't show up again until 2004 to make a 3-year run in 2004, 2005, and 2006. The Judge package was actually introduced in 1969 for a 3-year run. How they came up with the name The Judge was actually from the TV show Laugh-In, was Here Comes the Judge. The Judge package added $332 to the GTO, and that included a Ram Air 3 engine, and that was 366 horsepower out of 400 cubic inches. Also included in that was the rally wheels, and these rally wheels were without trim, wider tires, a Hurst shifter with a special handle, a decal package, and the rear spoiler. New for this year was the elimination of the front door vent window, so they had a one-piece side glass, slight grille and taillight changes, and the ignition key was moved from the dash to the column actually a year before the federal mandate. As you come to the exterior of this, you can see this limelight green is an extremely rare color. Most of them you see are in black or orange, so it really stands out. As we come to the interior, you can see this is done in a dark green vinyl, bucket seats, has the wood 3-spoke steering wheel, 120 mile an hour speedometer, 8,000 RPM tach with a 5,000 RPM red line. It had the fresh air twin scoops. Just below the steering wheel you had a pull lever to activate these scoops. As this car was found and restored by a gentleman named Tim Burton out of Colorado, there is over 3,000 hours in this restoration. The paint and bodywork was done by Level 1 Restorations out of Colorado. This car retains its original numbers matching drivetrain, and some of the provenance of this car is it's won 21 top-tier national awards. It's been a magazine feature car multiple times. And this car actually was also on display at the Playboy Mansion when they had muscle cars at the mansion with 30 other rare cars. For more information on this car and all the other cars in the collection, please visit our website, our Facebook page, Instagram, or YouTube channel. It's been a pleasure to share this car with you today, and thank you for watching.